Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the right clip for your hair type. Lighter clips for fine hair, larger snap or claw clips for thick hair. Once picked, create 1/2 to 1 inch sections so each clip has enough hair to hold. Now place the clip near the roots at a slight angle, closing or snapping it firmly. This increases friction and prevents slippage. Make sure to leave clipped sections secure while you work through the rest of the head to maintain even tension and balance. Next, build structure by staggering clips in layers from crown to nape. Position them 1 to 2 inches apart to distribute weight and create volume. Once a clip is placed, twist or fold the section into the clip before closing, especially with fine or freshly washed hair, because that added texture increases grip. When in doubt, reinforce the primary clip with 1 or 2 bobby pins inserted perpendicular to the clip for a mechanical lock. This combination prevents sliding and maintains your style through movement. To finish, smooth any visible hair and set the style with a light mist or a dusting of root powder to add grip. Make sure to check by moving your head gently. If a clip feels loose, replace it with a wider or stronger style and re-anchor closer to the scalp, then lock with a crossed bobby pin. If strands still slip, distribute the hair into smaller sections and repeat the twist and clip method. One reliable troubleshooting tip: swap to a different clip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.